This is how to change the key battery on your 2-button Suzuki key with keyless ignition and the location of the emergency key. You can see there's a little flap on the back. Just going to put my nail in there, slide it across, revealing the emergency key. You can shove that in the lock if this has gone flat and you can still get in. Now on the back here you can just see a little slot. I'm going to put my little screwdriver in, twist. You hear the click. That separates the two halves. And there's your battery. CR2032. Get that back in there. Just ease that out. Get rid of that one. Get your new one. Tuck it in. Click it down. That's in. And then line up the curve end first. And then click, click. Slot your key back in. And you're done. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.